Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to move objects. So for example, I will create wall in here. The next you can insert furniture, go to library browser, and then I will use this furniture. You can insert inside the floor plan. The next you can use the selection object, select the object, and you can resize by clicking in the corner points, move into here to resize. And if you want to move, you can move into the center of the object. After you see the symbols, click, hold, and then you can move into another area like this. To rotate, you can click at this point, hold, and then you can rotate like into 90 degrees. You also can create like for the door by clicking at this point. Okay, move into here for the door. And then if you want to move this door object, you can select. Now you can click at this point, hold, and then you can move into another area. Like I will move into here. And you can release the door objects like this. So we can move against these objects, click in the center point, click again into here. Or another option, you can click at this distance, like I will set into 500 and press enter. Okay, that's it for basic Shift Architect tutorial, how to move objects. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.